In the case of Stockler and Another, against the Corporation of the Hall of the Arts and Sciences, the court considered whether costs that had been assessed as reasonable should be further reduced on the grounds of proportionality. Following summary judgment on a key contractual interpretation point, the defendant was awarded costs. At a detailed assessment hearing for a £162,789.37 bill, the primary issue was the application of Civil Procedure Rules 44.3 and 44.4, and the two-stage test from West against Stockport NHS Foundation Trust to Part 1 costs, which were assessed on the standard basis. The claimants argued the £55,581.38 sum was disproportionate to the £3,200 claim value, proposing a capped figure of £8,100. The court rejected this methodology as fundamentally flawed, affirming that proportionality is not a simple multiple of the claim's value. Deputy Costs Judge Joseph held the costs were proportionate, considering the case's fast-track allocation, the complexity of the issues, the need for a London II firm and a barrister, the claimant's vigorous conduct, and wider factors, including reputational risk and the potential for similar claims. The court also noted the dismissal of numerous points of dispute under Ainsworth against Stewarts Law LLP for insufficient particularisation. No further reduction was applied, and the assessed figure of £55,581.38 was upheld as both reasonable and proportionate. Quote, "The result of the line-by-line assessment is that the reasonable costs for the work which I have set out in paragraph 41 above is £55,581.38. I must now, pursuant to paragraphs 90 and 91 of West, assess the proportionality of that figure by reference to the applicable rules. I do not consider that the reasonable costs, as assessed following the line-by-line assessment, are disproportionate. Given that conclusion, it is unnecessary for me to carry out any further assessment of Part 1 of the bill."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.